You look abandoned and hungry. Don't worry, I'll feed you. Boy, you sure are cute. What? Another cute kitten? That's a terrible way to stick a nut. I know you don't like him, Garfield, but he's so cute. In fact, he's the cutest. What do we need another disgusting cute? Cuter than Irma? This could be, shall we say, interesting.